Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real shares, my real money, and every day I'm joined by investors and traders around the world who equally share with you their trades, their positions, their real money. This is all the money I have in the world. Everything is here on display. I've grown my portfolio for $5,000. That's what I started out with up to where we are today. Had the big crash in November and I've been buying the dips ever since, and this is my real shares, my real money, and all of my real money. If I go to zero, you will see me go to zero. I've been margin called before, been in tears on the show, and all my members and family, that's my YouTube family, rallied together and supported me. So that's what we do for each other. We've raised over $1 million in this studio behind me. This is the Martyn Lucas Music Studio. It's my other sister channel. And in this channel, we've raised over $1 million for our members. It's what we do. So we're here to help everyone and to support everyone and go live every day. We cover nearly everything that happens on the stock market. We have all the earnings for the major cap companies, and we trade live every day. Let's go through my entire portfolio right now in front of you so you can see exactly what is going on. We've got the cash prize giveaway this time tomorrow in 24 hours. Have you taken part yet? Have you entered? Let me put that on the as a poll right now. Are you in? Are you registered for the oops-a-daisy, let me just end that a minute, try that again. Are you in for the cash prize draw in the morning? Have you entered? Have you entered the draw? Here we go. Entered the draw for the morning. Okay, the cash draw. There we go. Let's see how many people have done that now. Have you entered the cash draw? Cash draw for the morning, yes or no? If you haven't, go and check your inbox for your email, and you can enter it by tomorrow morning. All right, there you go. Fantastic. Who have we got here this morning? We've got Ali Isles, who was first. What happened to my comment? You probably made the comment before the show went live, Mike. What's going on? You're not the first person this morning. My comment disappeared too, Mike. That's weird, isn't it? Hello everyone, Dexter, Ali, haha, I hope Arrival makes me some money today. I've been dollar cost averaging and it bought a lovely dip yesterday. Yes, very good. I like that, but I've stopped buying in it though. Yeah, hope so. Yes, I was. You were first here. There you go. Anyway, lovely to have you here. Rio Tinto is up again, 1.4. I'm up nearly 6%, and I've got $109. I guess 111, something like that. You're going to get paid on next week, Ali. Brilliant tip, by the way, you gave us. Love that one. Vanguard S&P is up very slightly today. We had a huge bounce this morning, by the way. Virgin Galactic is up 6.81 today, up 1%. Looking very, very nice. Virgin Orbit. I've got some news on Tesla, why I'm more bullish than ever on Tesla this morning. Some news I want to share with everyone. So I'm excited about that. Really excited about that, in fact. All right, now then, if you're not in the draw, cash prize draw, do you want the link for the email newsletter? Let me know and I'll give it to you. I don't want anyone to miss out on it. It's free. You should all be in it. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get as many likes a day as there are viewers. There are 16 people watching right now. Let's get 16 likes. That would be absolutely awesome. Smash the like button. Help us grow here on YouTube. Over there on TikTok this morning, welcome to all of you. We've got a cash prize draw for free to enter in the morning. Thank you for all the follows. Thanks for all the subscribers. If you want to be in our cash prize draw, you can, and it's free to enter, free for all the links on YouTube. Come and join me over here on YouTube, or go to the all links button here and make sure that you subscribe to our newsletter and check your inbox. If you come into YouTube, I'll give you all the rules. Most people on TikTok don't listen to the rules and they miss out. They don't ever get the newsletter with their free cash prize draw. They miss out on it all the time because they don't verify their email. Thank you, Bill. We are celebrating Bill today. I believe today, I believe today is Bill's anniversary. He has been watching the show for 1 year today. Congratulations to Bill, I believe. Pretty cool, right? Am I right, Bill, or am I wrong? I don't know. I think I'm right. Anyway, let me know if I'm right. Polestar is up. Arrival is up 1.53. Amazon is up 0.37. We've got Apple is down 0.35. Robinhood is up 1.15. I'm 5.5% up on it now. McDonald's is 8.85 overall, just down slightly today. Coca-Cola up 0.25%. I'm up 3.5% now. Yes, I thought so. Dave Mottram. Good morning to Dave Mottram. How are you this morning, Dave? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.4. I'm just 2.25% away now from breaking even on Johnson & Johnson. That'd be absolutely great. Good dividends as well, though. Google, it's Dexter Sickles. Does Bill have merch? He needs his own anniversary mug too. Yeah, he does, doesn't he? Maybe I can sort that out. You know I can sort that out. I could make Bill his very own 1 year mug. No, I could do that. I could make Bill's 1 year mug. He's only got to ask. $4 is what I charge to customize someone's merchandise, and I can actually make that for you if you wanted that. All right, brilliant. Google is up 0.35 as well, looking good today. Very, very nice indeed. And hang on, have a with Leah. There we go. Coffee. There you go. From I thought that's quite funny. Have a cup of coffee from Leah. There you go. Leah's mugs in the chat right now. Have a cup of coffee with Leah. Google is up 0.35. Microsoft is up 0.18. No funds. I understand that, Bill. We got to make some money, right? Meta is up 0.14. SoFi is up 1%. IonQ is up 4.83 today. I'm 52% up with IonQ. Very, very nice indeed. Thanks, Leah. No, hang on. Take the thanks back. There's no coffee yet. I'm just saying that there's the mug. We've got no coffee yet. You'll see when the coffee comes in. Come on, Mike. You're not on it today. You're getting second to do comments. You're thanking Leah before the coffee comes. What is going on? Rolls-Royce down 3.7. I'm trying desperately to get out of Rolls-Royce. Walmart. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. You. Oh, okay. All right. Walmart is pretty flat today. Target up 0.38. 17% up now on Target, plus the dividends that are coming in the next month, September, mid-September. So we're very happy about that. I'll tell you now, I'm getting about $6 from Target, and I'm getting about $6 from Walmart. Okay, so I've got $12 from them, and 109 coming from Rio. Okay, Canoe is up 2.81 today, 12.5% up now. Gove looking very nice indeed. On is up nearly 0.5%, in fact over 0.5% now. Tilray Brands up 2%, pumping today. This is good, Dave. Love that. It's going to be a while until I can beat that. Let's have a look. Ali, I have 49 Rio. I have 49 Rio. How many do I have now? I'm fed up with this. I'm being beaten by everybody. I've got 41. 41. All right, so I'll be looking on the next dip because it's too late now for this month's earnings, dividends. But I will be looking for a dip. But to be fair, this is the right allocation for me. Rio Tinto, 3%, 3.33 is right. It shouldn't just keep loading up. That's about right. Target is up 0.38. Tesco's is down slightly. Canoe, we just talked about it. We did that. Tilray. Okay, Ginkgo Bioworks up 2%. I'm up 4.5% now. Very nice indeed. Enfate. I would like more Ginkgo. I've got 60. I did make a profit on the first 60, if you remember. Finn Paul, what's the news about Philly Fed manufacturing the index? Oh, Philly Fed. What's the Philly Fed? Not really sure what you mean by that. Enphase Energy is up 1.33. Very good. Up 65% now. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, Zach. Now, Zach, today I've been delaying your stuff so long. I will send you a test Bitcoin today to make sure that I can send you money. So we're going to do that today for you. That's going to come today, all right? I know there's been a delay. I'm trying to schedule so many events. You know I haven't forgotten you, but it's difficult sometimes getting everybody's event in as we're getting so many now. But I haven't forgotten you. That was donated to you by, of course, Rob Brennan. Bitcoin SV is up 1% today. Bitcoin is up 0.5%, and Ethereum is up 1.1. No problem, mate. It is totally fine. Waiting for the optimum time as well. You know I am. The Day Trader, here's the website. So if you've just tuned in and you want to know where the events are, you look here. We can put you... Oops, let me just get rid of that a second. Hang on. There you go. We put our members here on the homepage, and the upcoming live streams are here. Now, many of you go, how do I see the past live shows? The past live shows, if you go down here, past live streams, you can see. The past live streams are there. It tells you the date they went out. If you want to catch something that happened. And then my shorts at the bottom. All right. There you go. Now then. Some of you are new to the channel. So I wanted to share with you my music channel. We have two channels that work side by side together. Here is the music channel. If you want to visit my music after the main show, you can. And I'll put that in the chat right now. There you go. All right. There is the music channel. Okay, back to our main position, and let's have a look at the main portfolio right now. If you've just tuned in, good morning to all of you. Got some news to share this morning on Tesla. We know about the Tesla, the stock split, but there's more we want to discuss on today's show. All right, so there you go. There's my portfolio, 43.6. Now, I want to ask, we've got 7 votes. Three of you haven't entered the cash prize draw for the morning, for tomorrow morning. Can I ask why, in the chat, why? Have you opened the email? Are you receiving the email? Because for some reason, the people entering the competition is very low. And is it because the cash prize isn't big enough or what? I can't make it any bigger. It's more than I earn on the video. But the point is, if everyone enters the draw, I will be able to give away bigger cash prizes. It helps grow the channel, and everyone should get involved. It's free to enter, free for all. All right, over there on TikTok, have you sold all your positions? No. I haven't sold all my positions at all. We got a new member today. I don't know if anybody noticed. A silver member. Hopefully that person will come into today's show and we can celebrate. Someone came in last night and became a silver member to our channel. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing who that is. Anyway, here's our subscriber count. Let's see if we can get that up to today in today's show. All right. Here we go. So, Bill's over there on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. Don't know why. We got back up to 8 subscribers now on Twitch. Don't know why you don't do it, Bill. It's free. It's free, and every month I give a cash prize away. There are only 6 people in the draw because me and Leah don't count as the other 2. So it's free. I've checked it. You can get it in Canada. It's a global thing. You just have to click on the link. Anyway. Ali, I can do a poll for you on TikTok as a moderator. So any poll you do on here, I can copy it. I didn't know that. Ali Isles, have a go. Go on, Ali. Do that now. See if you can do that. I can do a poll for you on TikTok as a moderator. How cool is that? All right. I can't make it work. Ever which way. I don't know. I'm sorry, I wish I could help you. Basically, it's Amazon Prime, Amazon.com/prime/gaming. That's basically what you do. And sign in with your Amazon account, click on gaming, and then sign into Twitch using your Amazon Prime account. That's all you have to do. I don't know what else. I don't know what to say, really. BBBY, Bath, Bed and Beyond. People are going mad over Bath, Bed and Beyond. Absolutely ridiculous. People are investing in a stock that's losing money. I'm not even going to look at Bed Bath and Beyond. It's ridiculous. It's a silly stock. It's not doing anything. Your subscription won't work. What do you mean my subscription won't work? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. What do you mean my subscription doesn't work? Yes, it does. I've got 7 members, and if you subscribe to my channel on TikTok, I make you a commercial video at the end of the show, and the purpose of that is I can do a commercial for your channel for all my followers. I've got 23,000, and I ask them all to follow your channel. That's why I do that, and also have exclusive content where I review stocks for you as well. ORC announced a 5-for-1 reverse split. 5-for-1 reverse split is bad. A forward split is good. A reverse split means it's keeping you in the index. You shouldn't even be in that. It won't let me join. It isn't working. I don't know why. Maybe you've not got a verified account on TikTok. I don't know, but it does work. I don't know what else to say to you. I did a poll. Did it work? I don't see the poll. I don't see the poll. Hang on, interact. Can I do a poll? Oh, there's a poll in progress. I see. There's a poll in progress. Who was Rio? There you go. Current poll. I have Rio. Who has? There you go. Yeah, I can see it. Yes, you have a poll running. Yes. Well done. Nice one. Nice one. Very good. All right. I couldn't find the TikTok commercial. I sent it to you in a message, Bill. I sent it to you in a message. Just go into your TikTok, look at your messages, and I sent it to you. It's also, Bill, on the homepage of my TikTok channel. I couldn't make it easier. If I look on my TikTok channel, I will find your video. I will share it. All right. Super fan. I'll share it. There's Loki. There is another one. I'll show you now. I'll share it with you on the screen so you can see it. Darren. You can look in my playlist as well. Super fans. There you go. There's the playlist. There's Big Meta. There's Loki. There's 8. There's Darren Dwyer. There's Trucker Rick. I don't know, Bill. I think it's because you're not a subscriber anymore. I think you let it lapse. I don't know, but it is there. I can assure you it's there. Anyway, I can make you another one, Bill. If you subscribe to me today, I'll make you another one. Oh, vote. There's the Rio. I can see it now. Vote. I just voted on it. I have Rio. There you go. I voted on it. I've seen the vote, the poll. Anyway, getting back to the main show. Can you check? I'm in the draw for tomorrow. First time doing it. I think I followed the steps. I can't check if you're in the draw. But if you are in the draw, I would have replied to you and saying, did you watch the whole thing, as a check for you. I can't go into the software. It doesn't allow me to check who's in the draw. It just does it. All right. So I mean, obviously, I can't go in there and change it. Have you followed PayPal? Yes, PayPal. I've got shares in PayPal. This is my PayPal position, just under 100 again. And I'm holding my shares. Oh, you did that. Smashing. There you go. If I reply to you, that doesn't mean you're in. That means you've entered the draw. Okay, so I'm asking you now, did you watch the whole video? That's the purpose of that that comment. If you didn't watch the whole video and like it, then you won't. But to the fact that you I replied to you means obviously you watched it and you commented on it. So I'm just saying to you, did you leave the right comment? And you know you left the right comment because it's in the newsletter. Just copy it and there it is. But and only you know if you've watched it all the way through. I don't know that. The computer knows that. The software knows that. Anyway, there you go. But Easy C, thank you for taking part in it. Appreciate that very much indeed. All right, it's good for the channel and good for you guys. All right. All right, so we've got just over half an hour to go today. Virgin Galactic has had a really good pump this morning. I set it to renew. Ah, brilliant. All right, Bill. Well, oh, hello. Poll ended. Start. There you go. I can do it again. I've started it again. So there you go. I can start the poll and restart. There you go. Cool as that. There you go. I can restart the poll. Very, very good. We just got a new subscriber this morning. Someone just subscribed to my channel. Number one. Thank you, number one. Number one, you just subscribed to my channel. So if you'd like me to, I'm following you back, right? Reply to number one. Here we go. Hi. I've just said hi. And I'm following you back as well. Number one. Number one, I've just followed you back. Number one just became my top viewer as well. Let me hang on. How do I click on? One new message. Oh, Bill, I'm number one. It's Bill. There you go, Bill. Excellent. Right, I will make you that video today and I'll send it to you again. All right, Bill? Excellent. So look out for that today, mate. Thank you very much. I didn't know you were number one. You changed your name. You used to be Shin Dynasty. I don't know who's who. You're confusing me today. Anyway, Rivian is up 0.52. Lucid is up 0.6. Polestar is up 0.42. Arrival is up 1.53. And Amazon is up 0.29. Down 0.36 right now on Apple, but we're up 14%. So what is the news on Tesla? This is the news. I think, and I've been saying it for a while, that Tesla is going to reach $1,000 a share. No question about it. And I'm looking at it, and the reason why, yeah, Bill, stop confusing him. He is confusing me. Tesla is now starting to ramp up, as I said it would, its Powerwall. There is drone footage at their factories of their power walls being set up and built, solar power walls to power the factories and so on, but also to generate electricity for other things as well. Now, remember I said to you that we're going to see Elon Musk all of a sudden saying, I can power the whole of the United States, and everybody laughed at me like some sort of supervillain from James Bond. Well, I can see that happening. I can see that happening because Tesla batteries and Tesla solar has hardly any impact whatsoever on profits or the share price. Well, that's about to change. That's about to change with Tesla. I can see it's about to change because their margins are going up, their ramping is going up, they're leaving the competition behind. And to be honest with you, there's hardly any competition now left. All the other legacy companies are so far behind Tesla now, I don't see how they're ever going to catch up. And next year, it's anticipated that the Model Y will be the number one best-selling car in the world, not in EV space. Number one selling car in the world. So with all that going on, and the robo-taxis and the semis and the Cybertruck and the batteries and the Tesla and the insurance and I said robo-taxis, right? Said that, the AI and all the rest of it. With all that, I cannot see that Tesla would not fly past $1,000. Way beyond there. There are predictions at $3,000 and $4,000 if you price in their other businesses. But like I just mentioned, but it's certainly going to go above $1,000, and the stock split is just going to help that as well. So very, very excited about that. Really looking forward to it. I'm more bullish than ever, and the competition, honestly, is getting left behind. I want to thank those of you that are over on Twitch this morning. Thank you so much indeed for being on Twitch. That really, really helps. The money I earn on Twitch and the money we get from subscribers, I give you back once a month. So make sure that you are a subscriber to Twitch. All right. Let's get back into the main show here on YouTube. Hopefully, I think it's Malcolm. A guy called Malcolm today became a silver member. And I'm hoping he'll come into the show because I'd like to put him on the homepage of our YouTube channel and promote him. So anyway, hopefully he'll come in. I'm there, says Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. There you go. That was the poll. I like that. Thanks for doing the poll, by the way. Thanks for the follow. Bill says he's easily confused. Yeah, I'm easily confused. It's easy. Anyone can confuse me. No bother at all. All right, let's look at our main portfolio and see where we're going. We've just got half an hour to go. And as you can see, right now, we're getting a real big bounce. What happened yesterday, the Fed meetings came out, and it was quite muted. If you remember yesterday's market was quite muted. There wasn't a lot going on, was there? The news was quite muted. It forced a bit of a sell-off, and then it forced a bit of a buyback. We had a reasonable day. The meeting was good. The report was good. The minutes were good. Basically, they were saying that interest rates are going to slow down. That is good. It's upset some people because they're saying that the Fed is not getting to grips with inflation. It's letting it go. It's letting the markets pump instead. And some people are saying there'll be civil unrest. And I do believe civil unrest is likely, because the divide between the rich and the poor is getting wider. The inflation in Europe is getting out of control. Violence is on the increase. Obviously, theft and stuff like that always increases in times of financial difficulty. But you know, is there ever any excuse for violence? I don't know. But anyway, that's what's about to happen. But I think the markets are going to do okay. It's why, though, I'm not buying, because we are in a bear market. This is not just free money and you can just keep going up. I want to have a 30, 40, 50% buffer on all of my stocks. I want my stocks to be up 50% before I start reinvesting, before I start selling off the top, before I start buying dips, stuff like that. And the reason for that is, if we get crashes in the future, I don't want it to affect my portfolio. In other words, I don't want it to ever take my portfolio down below where we are today. All right? I want peace of mind and I want to relax. The portfolio I put together is a portfolio that if I slept for 6 months, would I be up without any stress? And that's what I believe I've built. All right, that's what I believe I've put together. Virgin Galactic, by the end of this year, is going to be way above $20. As soon as we get those flights, and we'll be at 100 when the flights come. No doubt about it. I think the S&P 500, VU, is got a long way to go. Apple is starting to pump now, and Tesla is part of the S&P 500 as well. That's about to improve big time. Johnson & Johnson, a big part of the S&P, that's down 2.4, but that's going to improve the back end of the year. Target, Walmart, is Target part of the S&P? I know Walmart is. Walmart's going to improve back end of the year with Halloween and Christmas coming up, or the holidays, as you say in America. Google will go up because companies will start spending more money on advertisement coming into the holiday season. So we'll see Google go up. There you go. There's the vote. The vote just popped up. That's for Ali doing that. Anyway, Target is on the NYSE, but I believe, yeah, we know that. But is it in the S&P 500? That's what I'm saying. Top 500 companies. That's what I'm saying. Does it make up the S&P 500? I don't know. I know Walmart does. I know Johnson & Johnson does. I know Coke does. Ali, the #1 moderator. Yes, you are. Do you get some sort of badge for that over on TikTok? Thanks for doing that, by the way. We've now got our subscribers. Where can I see it? 8. We gained a subscriber today, up to 8. Brilliant. We gained one. There we go. No S&P 500 yet. One day. Yeah, I know Walmart is, but I didn't think Target was. No. Soon Carnival will be replaced. Carnival. If we have a look at Carnival, I used to invest in Carnival. Not anymore, though. Leah's got shares in Carnival. And the reason why, I made money on Carnival. I'll show you. In March 2020, obviously that happened. Okay? But it devalued its stock. It raised capital. It issued more stock to raise money. So it's not the same company now that it was. It recovered a little bit. Fell away, and then it diluted stock. So at the end of the day, where it is now is probably around about here, and they're a smaller business anyway. So it probably hasn't got much more growth at the moment. Just because it looks cheap compared to where it was, it might take years to get there. It comes with no dividend, so it's not a growth stock. You'd be very brave to buy Carnival right now. I used to work on Carnival. I know all about Carnival. It's up over the last month, though. That's all we can say for it. But other than that, yeah, I had a little blip there. But yeah, I wouldn't invest in Carnival right now, I have to say. Anyway, Rio Tinto is up today 1%. No badge, just a thank you is good enough. They used to pay a dividend. Not anymore, though, right? Well, they couldn't afford it. There's no way they could afford it now. A good one too, yeah. That would make sense because it never really had much growth. But yeah, they wouldn't be able to. They wouldn't be able to do it today. And if they did, they'd have to cancel it straight away. Says the same thing about space, yet still holding it. Michael Tetrault says the same thing about space, yet still holding it. Space is completely different. Space is completely different. Space has growth. Carnival has no growth. How can you compare Virgin Galactic to Carnival Cruise Lines? If you compare Carnival Cruise Lines to Virgin Galactic, then you don't know about either stock. You don't know anything about Carnival. I've worked with Carnival. And you don't know anything about Virgin Galactic, and I've worked for Richard Branson with the Virgin Experiences. So I'm telling you, they couldn't be more opposite. They couldn't be more differently funded. Cash available is completely the opposite. Potential growth, completely opposite. Yeah, there's not even close. What about Joby? Joby was interesting. I used to hold Joby. Should I have a quick look at it? Joby. I used to hold this. Not anymore though. Joby's good. I can see where you're going with Joby. Are you investing in it? I used to have shares in Joby, but not anymore. Because my aviation, my innovative stocks are fully invested in. You can't invest in everything, and you need to know what you're investing in and spend time researching it and watching it. You can't be in everything, so it's not one for me right now. Only because I'd have to sell something else to bring some money into that. So that's the only reason why. No particular reason. It's just not one I'm into right now. Not a bad stock at all. No, I agree. Is Rob Brennan okay? Haven't seen him in the show for a while. Rob Brennan is okay. He's having a hard time, but I talk to him from time to time. He's okay. He's got a financial plan to pay off his debts. He lost a lot of money, as you know, with Virgin Galactic, but he's okay. He's got a plan, and he's working it out. Anyway, we've got just 25 minutes to go. Let's have a look. Only half of you, just over half of you, 7 of you are in the draw. If you're not in the cash prize draw, please do go and check your inboxes for the newsletter. It comes out on Sunday. It came out on last Sunday, and the draw is tomorrow. Only a handful of people are in the draw. If you've not got your email, did you verify it? You can always apply again. Maybe you didn't verify it. There are 60 people who haven't verified it. I'll tell you that exactly. There are 60 people who've never verified it. They don't listen to the rules I give here on YouTube. There is the email newsletter. That's the all links button. And the email you're looking for to verify, which may be in your junk folder, is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Remember, all the links for all these things are below in the description of all my videos, every one of my videos. All right. We've got 207 people now who are receiving the newsletter. Now then, we don't have anyone sponsoring this week's newsletter. It's $10 right now, and if you'd like to sponsor it, it's a $10 super chat, and you can sponsor this Sunday's newsletter. Thank you very much, Kenya, for the subscription. If you want to sponsor this week's newsletter, it goes out to 207 people. I have a 60% open rate. And, of course, they can open it in a few weeks' time, but in the first week, it's 60%. For $10, if you'd like to promote your YouTube channel or your business or a link to something or whatever it might be, you can sponsor it. You get a 1 line of text, a link, and a picture, a thumbnail picture. $10 in the super chat, and you can sponsor this Sunday's. Next week's, it's Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro is sponsoring next week's newsletter. Anyway, Rio Tinto is holding up. Vanguard S&P is holding up 0.15. Virgin Galactic is up 0.74. Virgin Orbit is down 1.25. Tesla is holding up. I'm still saying $1,000 this week. Oh yeah, he lost a lot. He lost about $30,000. $30,000, Zach. And no way of recovering it because he was margin called, the money was gone, the stocks were gone, he was down 30 grand. Yeah, a serious amount of money. He lost a lot, but glad he's okay and working on a financial plan. Yeah, he has a 5-year plan to pay it back, to get back his money. But yeah, very, very tough. Awful to watch, and it's very hard to enjoy any success that I have on Virgin Galactic now. But anyway, he learned a lesson, and hopefully we all learn from that. Very expensive lesson. Rivian is up 0.27. Lucid Group is up 0.43. Polestar is bouncing around. I'm still down with Polestar. Polestar is another good one. I'm holding this one. I like what it's doing. I looked more into the company last night. There are lots of EV companies who aren't going to make it. Polestar, I don't believe, is one of them. Obviously, otherwise I would have sold my stocks and took my money out. But I think Polestar's got a good potential. Arrival is another one with a good potential. I'm down 18%. You could argue this is a time to buy some more. It was as low as down 21. We're down 20. Good afternoon, Trader Timothy. Over there on Twitch. Thank you very much, Timothy, for keeping open Twitch. I really, really appreciate that. Everyone does that for me. Very, very kind of you. If you keep Twitch open on another tab, it earns revenue, and I give that back to my subscribers once a month. So thank you very much. Delta Airlines, please. Let's have a little look at Delta Airlines. All right, Delta Airlines. I don't like airline stocks as a rule. But let's have a look for Church of Logic, Delta Airlines. Let's go look at the 5-year plan. And Bill's over there on Twitch. Oh, we've got 4 now. Fantastic. Thank you guys for being over there on Twitch. We're trying to get 75 people so I can become a partner on Twitch. And we've got 113 followers now, so we're growing all the time. It's getting better and better. And I'm trying to get 75 so I can become a partner. And I'll keep you updated with the progress of that. Oh, there you go. I like that poll, by the way. I like that. And there you go. Very good. Thank you, Zen Habits, which is Ali Isles, doing that over there for us on TikTok. Really great. Really appreciate it. Doing a smashing job. Anyway, so Delta Airlines, over 5 years, it's down. It doesn't even pay a dividend. All right. Now, to be fair, it dropped in March 2020. It did recover, but it's been falling away since then. I don't like it because we are having recovery now in the airline sector, and we are going down. Let's look at its numbers. It's a strong buy according to analysts, though. Its last earnings, Q2, it didn't hit its expectations, but however, it did have a major turnaround. So why with such an improvement on its earnings did that happen? Well, let's have a closer look in. Over the year, it's been improving. Over 3 months, still down, but definitely improving. But to me, this is the general market. It's at 9% up, so it's about in pace. It's on pace with the market. It's not ahead or behind. Delta Airlines. I wouldn't buy it right now. They removed the dividend temporarily. Yeah, they can't afford to pay it, right? It's been around since 1928, 83,000 employees, 8 million average volume. Today it's 8 already, so the volume is up at the moment on Delta, which is generally a good thing. There you go, Delta Airlines. Has anybody else got shares in Delta Airlines? I don't think I would touch it right now. Sorry, I've been away for a few days. Did everyone discuss IonQ during earnings? IonQ, yes. IonQ, welcome back, Fusion 301. Love to have you back. I love the way you apologise. You don't apologise to Netflix, do you? I love it. You're away for 1 day and that's it. I'm sorry I've missed it. That's what I love about the commitment to this family. All right. IonQ. I'm up now 52%. Only a few weeks ago, I was down on this stock. If we look back 3 months ago, down here, look, 18% down. Look at this. What a major recovery. Thanks was out camping. Very nice indeed. There you go. I'm at 52%. Delta is second largest airline in the US. They make money every year, strong company, and treat workers well. I just don't like investing in airline companies. And before you say it, Virgin Galactic is not an airline company. The trouble is with airlines, they don't do anything proprietary. They don't do anything. I like to invest in companies that change the world, that do something that nobody else does, that stands out. You know, they might be a good airline, but what's the difference between them or anyone else? It's just like Netflix. You can cancel your subscription and go elsewhere. Thank you very much indeed. This is really, really kind, guys. I now have 6 viewers over there on Twitch. Awesome. I'm trying to get an average of 70. I'm trying to get 75 to become a partner. Absolutely great. If you're able to, and you have a second device, or you can open another tab, the money I earn on ad revenue and subscriptions, which is free, by the way, using Amazon Prime, I give back to you. Here is my Twitch account. It's below all the videos. It's on my All Links button, but there it is in the chat. Go and check it out. If you can, keep it open and subscribe. And how you do it, by the way, is Amazon Prime /gaming. You turn it on. It's free if you've got Amazon Prime. You then sign into Twitch with Amazon Prime account because Amazon own Twitch, and you can subscribe to me. And it gives me $1.85 a month. And basically, I then return that to my members, to my subscribers, and the ad revenue I do as well. So it all goes out in cash prizes once a month, on the first Friday of the month. Anyway, can you check Jupiter Wellness? Jupiter Wellness, I can. I'm looking forward to seeing our Malcolm come in. We had someone become a silver member during the night. Jupiter Wellness. Here we go. Jupiter Wellness. All right. Jupiter Wellness engages in development of cannabidiol-based medical therapeutics and wellness products. Its products lines include CanniSun, CanniSkin, and CanniDerm RX. Show more. It operates with the following segments: sales and development of CBD. Right. Very, very low average, very low volume, no dividend, been around for a couple of years. Now, this is, in this space, I've got Tilray Brands. It's CBD. I am invested in Tilray Brands because I wouldn't be more in the space. 12 employees, very low employees, very low. It's it's in Florida. How does it compare to Tilray? Tilray Brands, however, 2,100 employees, been around the same sort of time, has a volume of 34 million. It's a 2 billion market cap. Tilray Brands could swallow it up. I wouldn't be in this because I'm in Tilray Brands instead. There's no more room in my portfolio for more cannabis stocks. So for me, I try to own the companies, not necessarily the biggest companies. The biggest companies don't always make the best return on your investment, by the way. But the companies that are most likely to grow. I see more growth with Tilray Brands than Jupiter, just looking at this initially. But are you invested in it? That would be the only play. Hope someone buys them. There you go. That's what I could see happening. I could see potentially you could have Tilray Brands buying up the competition when they get regulatory approval. And it's also a penny stock, a very low value. I wouldn't buy that. Too small. It can be taken over. So no, I wouldn't be in that one. 12 employees. It's hardly anything at all. It's virtually like the day trader. It's me, Ali, and Bill, Fusion, Mike, handful of you. That's basically us. I love it. All right, so there you go. That's my thoughts on that. I wouldn't be in that stock right now anyway. Unless you know something that I don't. What happens to your shares if the company is bought? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. The value of your shares can go up, but it gets swallowed up. It gets transferred. I've never had that happen yet, so I can't speak from experience. But if they're bought out, like Robinhood was allegedly going to be bought out by FTX, it's good for the stock. If it's a good company that buys it out, a bigger company swallows you up, it can be good for you. You now become part of a bigger thing. So yeah, you don't lose. Your shares go into the new company. But I've never experienced it. So one day I hope it happens, and we'll be able to talk about it on the show. But you might like that as an investment strategy. Buy Jupiter, hoping that Tilray Brands would come along and buy it. But you have to ask yourself, why did they need to buy it? Now, for an example of that, this is one stock. Canoe has been rumoured for a long time that Apple want to buy Canoe. There was a rumour once going around, and the stock popped up and it fell away again. But there are relatively good suggestions to suggest that Apple might be interested in Canoe. Not for the factories or whatever, but they like all the equipment or the cars or whatever they've got there. It's some of the people that work there. They want to get their minds. They want to get their research. So I don't know if it's true or not. It was just a rumor. Anyway, there you go. JetBlue bought Spirit, and it's still... there you go. JetBlue bought Spirit, and it still holds its shares. So there you go. That's what happens. or just throw a few bucks on it and see what happens. There you go, Fusion. Church. Not bad idea. Not a bad way of playing it. Good morning, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Good morning. I haven't forgotten you, Queen, with your fundraiser. Also was a rumour that Lucid and Apple were working together. Exactly. And that hasn't happened either. You get all these things happen. Jupiter Wellness makes the only CBD-based sunscreens that can help skin cancer patients. Interesting. Interesting. Jupiter Wellness makes the only CBD-based sunscreens. Well, I'll tell you now that Tilray Brands is in many sectors of cannabis. It's in with the drinks market as well. So I'm sure that Tilray will want to be in that space. So you could argue, will Tilray Brands buy out Jupiter? Does Jupiter, I tell you what would be interesting, and Logan, you could research this for me. Does Jupiter have the patents for the CBD sunscreens that can help skin cancer? If they do, if Jupiter have the patents, however you say it in America, the patents, then that could be interesting. So you could buy a few shares, buy 100 shares, $60, something like that. Sorry, 1,000 shares, $60. And see if Tilray Brands buy it out. That could be a good way of going. You could do that. So look, if I go into here and buy 100, they are, look, no, 1,000. 100 shares. You could buy 100 shares for $64. Hi, Mike. Hey, we got 7 viewers now over there on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed for joining us on Twitch. If you use your Amazon Prime and subscribe to me, the subscriber, it's absolutely free, and the money I get from Amazon Prime, I give back to you every month for a free prize draw. It's in our newsletter. If you're not in our weekly newsletter, it explains it all. But if you use Amazon Prime to subscribe to me on Twitch, and every month I do a free prize draw, and I give the money back that I get for subscribers. There's the weekly newsletter, and here is the email you're looking for to verify your email. If you don't verify the email, you won't get the newsletter. There you go. 7 viewers, great. We're trying to get to 75 so we can become a partner. Thank you ever so much, everyone that's doing that for me. Right, so let's have a little look. Jupiter, there you go. So Jupiter, that's the way I might play it. 100 shares, $60, and then I like the fact that they've got the paint. They've got that sunscreen. But check that out if you wouldn't mind. Mike, Trader Timothy, welcome. Apple Card will be made by Lucid. They just got to figure out the production and revenue split. Who will front more money and what not? Patents are such. Patents and such got to be figured out. There we go. Fusion. Here's how I play these type of socks. Do I like the company logo? Okay, I'll buy a few shares. That's brilliant. Shamrock is now following over there on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. If you're over on Twitch today, I give away free money by just following me. Links in the profile. Everybody on TikTok, links in the profile. It's easy to come into. Just click the profile up here. All links button. I'm in Twitch right now as well as YouTube. And if you follow me over on Twitch and subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, the money I get from my subscribers, I give a monthly draw away for free. Anyway, there you go. I like that. Fusion, that's a brilliant one. I have a BBIG bag holder. It's now paying off. BBIG bag holder. It's now paying off. Let's have a look at that for the Queen. We've got 4 minutes to go. Hundreds of thousands of UK households have cancelled their Amazon Prime subscription. The cost of lockdowns crisis is hitting hard. Yes, I've heard. Scary stuff, right? Amazon Prime. It's so expensive now. If you've got no money, I fully get it. Vinco Ventures as well. We've got look at that for Fusion. BBIG, very, very quickly then. BBIG for Queen of Self-Braiding. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. Just bring it up for the Queen. And BBIG Vinco Ventures. Let's have a little look today. We're up 32% on the pre-market. We're pumping again. Video sharing, social net. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like this sort of stock. We could just buy it for a laugh, though. What you could do with this one is buy it and then set a stop trail order. I got 3 minutes to go. Hi all, the UK market is doing well. Don't ruin it in America. Don't ruin it. Okay. All right. I think that's, what's his name? McConaughey, whatever his name is. Matthew McConaughey. All right. Don't know why he says that. Same as me saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, isn't it? Same thing, really. Anyway, let's get back into our main positions right now. Let's get ready to rumble. We've got 3 minutes to go. The lightning round is around the corner. Here is my main portfolio position right now. Are you ready? We are just 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Are we going to have a green day? Only half of you are in our free prize draw. In fact, less than half of you. Why is that? Can someone tell me only there are 13 people and not in our draw who watch our show regularly? Keegan just subscribed to Twitch using Amazon Prime. Hey, brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. Just subscribed. Oh, that's on YouTube, isn't it? I'm getting confused. It doesn't take much to confuse me sometimes. All right, okay. Logan Pete, Justin, Jupiter Wellness has already filed for additional patent for use. There you go. Skin dish including atopic. There you go. That's probably what they want. The best thing that could happen is Jupiter is to be bought out to make some money from Tilray. So maybe it's worth a little go. If they've got the patent for that, I could see Tilray buying it out. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. It's time for the lightning round. Here we go. Just a few seconds to go. Vinco Ventures is up as well. I don't like this sort of stock. This is very much gambling. You could set a stop trail order on it if you wanted to. Let's have a look how it trades. It's on an upward trajectory at the moment. 20 seconds to go. Hi Zach. Good morning, everybody. Are you ready? Here we go. And we just got a few seconds to go now. Here we go. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go on the markets. Let's check what's happening this morning and we'll keep our eye on it. This is the lightning round. 2 minutes of absolute chaos. Rio Tinto is up 0.98 at the moment. Here we go. Let's get ready to go. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay. Jupiter is at 1.37. 1.37 now. Vinco Ventures up 27% at $1.77. Rio Tinto is up 0.91. Vanguard S&P is flat right now. Excuse me. Virgin Galactic has just dropped 1.64. Some swing trading going on here. We go up big. Yikes. The Church of Logic. Let's have a look right now. We're going down 2% now on Virgin Galactic. Got a bit of a... we are down now. We are down on Virgin Galactic. 6.61. I could just buy... buy. Too late. I left that too long. I was just going to grab some Virgin Galactic there and do a quick day trade, a scalp trade, but too late, missed it. Virgin Orbit is down 0.5%. Tesla is down is flat right now, but up 0.19. Let me go back to Virgin Galactic a second. Virgin Galactic is down 1.63. I'm down 1.3 at the moment. Let's watch it go down. I'll double up at $4 if that ever happens. Let's go through our stocks. Keep on going. Looking at that one now, down only 2%. Lucid is down 0.65. The overall portfolio is moving. We are down 0.76 on Lucid. We are now looking at Polestar. It's down 1.68. My overall portfolio is down 0.1. Hardly moved. Arrival on the day is up 2.29. Arrival is pumping. Amazon is down but coming up. Apple is down 0.25, but coming up. And Robinhood is down 2.5, up 1.33 overall. Let's go back to our Virgin Galactic and see what's going on down there. 2.37. We're at 658. 657. We're getting a new low now, a new low. My low is 672. Let's go back to Arrival. Arrival is flat right now, and Amazon is down 0.67. Apple is down 0.36. Robinhood is down 3% right now. We're about to go below our lows. Okay, McDonald's is down, but coming back up again. Coca-Cola is up 0.22, and Johnson & Johnson now is up 0.32. Google is now down 0.09, and the overall portfolio is down $99, which is 0.23. Let's have a look now, and Microsoft is down 0.39, but coming up again. Let's go back to our Virgin Galactic. We are down 2% right now, 2% at $6.60. You've got a buy at 650. Congratulations, Ethereum Classic. Go to the other end of the spectrum. Ethereum is up. Ethereum is up 1.24. Bitcoin is up 0.56. BSV is up 1.42. Okay, Enphase Energy is pumping today, 1.72. Enphase Energy is now up 1.88 as we come into the final furlong. Who's going to win the stock of the day? Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.92. Tilray Brands is just falling back now, just gone down 0.12. On is up 2.43, slipped to 1.80. Who is now going to win? Canoe up 0.64. We have Tesco up 0.31. Good, thanks to Wow. Virgin Galactic is too low. Virgin Galactic now is down 2.52. We're down at 6.57. The big loss today is Virgin Galactic. Who is going to take it on the line? Canoe is up 0.64. It's going to be a photo finish. It looks like the winner again today is Enphase Energy, up 1.92. Enphase Energy is the winner today on the stock of the day, and we are up 1.83. So we're up 66% now on Enphase Energy. And if we look at the new boys on the block, Jupiter is up 2%, fallen back this morning. There you go. Vinco Ventures is still up 38%, 36% just falling back slightly. There was the lightning round. Gets pretty wild here in the first 5 minutes. We are looking to see if we can get some bargains on Virgin Galactic right now. There you go. Whoa, that's what it's all about. Woo! Tesla is down to 9.11, 9.10, down 0.25%. I have 6,000 shares of MNMD, still 40% down, but what a pump. 40% down, but what a pump. MNND. Let's have a quick look at that for you. MMND. MNMD. Mind Medicine. Let's have a quick look. 54% today. Wow. If you caught that right. Tesla to $1,000 by the end of the week. LOL. Yep, 100%. Still believe it. Just wait for that next quarter. Just wait for that next quarter to come out. That's going to be the best on record right now. And the stock split's going to help, and they are now building the Tesla Powerwalls in their factories. We're seeing it. There's drone footage of it, and they're ramping it up because they're leaving the competition behind. They're leaving the car competition behind. There's Mind Medicine, and going back now to Jupiter Wellness. All right, there you go. If you want to get into that one, Vinco Ventures is taking a bit of a drop now. It pumped up 30%. Rio Tinto. Vanguard S&P coming back up. Virgin Galactic 659. I just bought 100 shares of Virgin Galactic. Just bought 100 shares of Virgin Galactic at 660. You can see the order gone through there. 100 shares at 660. So we'll try and sell those 100 shares. Here we go. Sell 100 shares. Are you ready? Review the order. There you go, folks. You asked for a day trade, a scalp trade. This is it right now. I've just bought 100 shares at 660 of Virgin Galactic. And here we go. Make a quick profit. You selling? I'm going to sell 100 shares. Yep. I'm going to sell 100 shares and take some profits there. I just added. Here we go. I bought at 660. Just selling 100 shares. The 100 shares I just bought at 660. Are you ready? Wait for a reasonable profit. Edit. I might do actually a 100, and I might do a sell 100 shares at a trailing stop order. Percentage. Amount. Trail. $6.60, 2 cents, trail, okay. Trail at 2 cents. So 100 shares, good for the day. It'll sell at 666. I bought at 660. Okay. Trail of 2 cents. So I bought at 660. It will sell at 664, and I'll allow it to go down 2 cents. Watching it very closely. $6.64. Watching it closely. I'm waiting to set the stop trail loss at 2 cents. Right now I'm only making 1 cent, so I'd only make $1. That's pointless. I'm going to set a stop trail loss of 2 cents. Just the 100, not selling any more than that. The volume right now, let's check the volume right now, is 6 million, and the average volume is 9. So we've got huge volume today in Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at the chart, the candles. There we go. Huge buy-ins just come in. I'll share with you the chart. What's for those of you that are interested in this sort of thing. There you go. You can see it there. So we're going back to the trades right now, and 62. All right, sell 100 at a 2 cents drop. I will make guaranteed $2. Now it's $1. I've got the stop trail loss. Review the order. Okay, sell. Okay, done. So there you go. I've set it. It'll sell now 661. If I refresh the screen, it's probably already gone to 662. Space sold. Space sold. I made a very small profit on it. Very, very small. $6.65. There we go. I made $5. I made $5 on it. Made $5 on it this morning. So I lowered my average from 672 to 671, and I made $5. Anyone here invest in Virgin Orbit? Yes, I do. Getting a little bounce here. There we go. Unfortunately, it just sold. I set a stop trail loss at 2 cents, and now it's going up. Typical. But that's all right. I'll catch the next one. So there you go. So you see what I did there? I bought 100 shares at 660 and sold 100 shares at 665. So I made myself $5. But I got a free share basically, virtually, and I've lowered my average as well. But there you go. That's how we do that. Let's go over to Tesla. I'm only doing that when I can go below my averages. I'm not doing that to increase my averages. Here we go again. Let's go over to the main portfolio. So basically, I just acquired a free share of Tesla, a free share of Virgin Galactic, essentially, just about. My overall portfolio now is 43,400. We're up 1/4% right now, 1/3%. This is the overall position. And we'll try and get Virgin Galactic again when it goes below like that. Let's see how many people I've got over on Twitch and TikTok. 9 viewers today over there on... hey, you guys, absolutely fantastic. 9 viewers on Twitch. Thank you so, so much indeed. If you can all use Amazon Prime Gaming, it's free. Subscribe to me. I give you the money back for free. By becoming an Amazon Prime subscriber, it's free. I do a cash prize draw every month. It costs you absolutely nothing. So you might as well do it. Quick money. Yes. Virgin Orbit. This is my Virgin Orbit account. I'm actually Houston, Texas, Joe. I'm going to Virgin Orbit Space Station in Cornwall on the 15th of October. We're having a day trader party. I'm actually going to go there and meet people on the beach, and then we're going to go to the Virgin Orbit, and we're having a party in the evening. If you want to be there, it's $50 or $50 in the super chat, and you'll be sent a ticket. You can be there. It's a good opportunity to lower your average. I'm up 10% on Virgin Orbit, so I'm not buying any more there. But SPCE, great. So 666. That was good. I managed to lower my average from 672 to 671. I managed to make $5, so I got 3/4 of a stock for free. And I'll do it again in a second. If it goes down again, I'll do it again. I haven't day traded for a while. That was like quite exciting, right? Quite exciting. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, up 0.29, $1,000 a share, no question about it. Lucid Group, down 0.95. Polestar, 12%. I don't want to add any more there. Arrival, down 19% now. It's going too cheap. Arrival's running out of money. It's going too cheap. I don't want it. I'd never have the nerve to do a day trading stuff. No, my luck, it would just keep going down. Well, that is why I showed you how to do it. I set the stop trading loss. Rather than just selling it when I was up, I set a stop trail loss to sell it for 2 cents down after I was already 2 cents up. So if it keeps on going, it would have kept on. My profit would have gone up and up and up, and always sold at 2 cents down. Right, let's try and do it again. So get ready to buy 100 shares. I'll set 200 shares this time. There we go. 200. We've got to wait for that drop. My average is 671, so we don't want to pay 666. Remember, I would double up at $4, so not going to get carried away. I only want to get in this stock if I can make a profit on it. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, you're here, get a subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. We've got 30 watching, just 23 of you thumbed up the video. So let's put a 1 minute on the clock, and we're day trading this morning. We haven't done day trading for a while. So just got to wait for the opportunity. MNMD again. I will quickly look at it for you. One of our members. MNMD. Mind Medicine again. Up 19%. Yeah. I don't like the pharmaceutical stuff, though. It's very, very risky in my book. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Let's try and get... Oh, here we go. Virgin Galactic again, presenting another opportunity. Wait for it. Smash the like button. Let me know you're here. We've got 25 likes. Fantastic. Up 73%. Have you set your stop trail loss, though? Either a percentage or a number. Now, what you could do is I could set a number here, 655. Here we go. Overall. No, I'm still down 40%. Okay. $6.64. Review the order. I could set a limit buy just to buy it, but pharma stocks are good during a recession and health crisis. Yes, I made money on Moderna. when that first came out, or when the COVID first hit. I made money from that. So Virgin Galactic now is down 1.48. I'm not going to buy it yet. I made $5 last time. I've doubled up this time. I've got 200 shares this time. So this time, if I can do the same thing, I'd make $10. That'd be $15. Okay. But it's got to go, for me to get into it, it's got to go at least to that bottom point. At least go to here, which is 655. What's your limit? What's my limit? My limit is about $24,000. I could go 24 grand. I'm not gonna though. Hi there, just following closely. Shamrock. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shamrock, you're over there on Twitch. Have you used your Amazon Prime to subscribe to me? And the reason why is free. And if you do that, oh, we got 10 viewers now. Fantastic. If you subscribe to me on Amazon Prime, every month I do a free prize draw where I give away the money I've earned on ad revenue and subscriptions. And if you want to be in my free prize draw, we do it every Sunday. We have 2 cash prizes, one on Twitch for my Twitch viewers and one for my YouTube audience as well. And it's free to enter, free for all. Here is the email newsletter you need. Here is all the prizes and opportunities in this newsletter. And we're just going to trade Virgin Galactic again if we can. There you go. And here is the newsletter. Email you're looking for. It always goes into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw, which it does. There is the email you're looking for in your junk folder. We've got 207 people now receiving it. If anybody, it's a 60% open rate. If anybody wants to sponsor this Sunday's newsletter, you get a thumbnail, you get a 1 line of text, and a link to something, your channel, your Twitch channel, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you like, your business, whatever. You can sponsor this Sunday's email for $10 in a $10 super chat in the good time now. Average down Houston, Texas. Average down on what? What's he buying? I have average of 733. Yeah. Here we go. 650, 665. Got a hold though. I'm at 699 to buy. Got orders at 650 bottom. Nice. Right. Stock not going down to $5. Well, it's always worth preparing. Should it? Oh, hello. Hey, Leah. How are you? Leah just bought me a cup of coffee. Here we go. There you go. We've got the black one today. If you want to get a day trader mug and make some money, oh, here we go. Virgin Galactic 661. Review the order. All right, just bought 200 at 661. Sell, limit order, trading stop order, trail percentage, amount, 2 cents. Whoops, 2 shares, 200. Good for the day. Right, trading stop order. See, I've got an average of 670 now. Amount 2 cents. 657. I just paid 661. Which was better than the first time. It was 665 the first time, 661 the second time. $661. I want to sell 200. I've got an average now of 670. I've got an average now of 670, down from 672. I made $5 on the first one. This time, I'm going to sell 200 shares. I've got to go at 661 to make a profit. Sorry, to get my money back. We're now 200 shares. Okay, let's see if we bounce off this. 661. We want to bounce off that, otherwise we're going to set a new low. 655, 656. Here we go. We want it to bounce off this now. If it doesn't, if it goes lower, we'll be setting a new low. We want to see it bounce off that. And it did just about at the moment. Very, very close. As soon as I can get to 663, now this is quite a difficult market this morning, so what I'm going to do is I paid 661 for it. I'm going to set it at 661. I'm going to set it at 661 so I get my money out. I don't lose any money. That's the plan. And then if it goes up from there, then that's a free gift. Lowered my average, and just to get my money out. $655, $656. It's got to get to 6. The number I'm looking for is 661. When 661 goes in this box here, I can set it. That means I'm guaranteed to get my money out. Come on, I need 661. Hopefully I'll get this, 661. Stick with me. I'm just going to run a quick commercial break. I've not done a commercial break this morning. Come right back with me. Don't go away. Good morning, market profit. We're day trading here. 661. Just got to hit 661. Good morning, market profit. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Stock not going down to $5. Agreed, says Houston TX. 661. That's what I paid for it. Sell 200 shares at 661. Come on. Hoping now it's going to go back up again. We don't want it to go below 655. That's where it's bouncing off at the moment. That's our low for the day at the moment, 655. If it breaks that, then we're going to set a new low. We don't want it to go 654. We don't want that. It's trying to hold above there. And the longer it holds above there, the better. And I need 661. We don't want 660. Oh, it's gone 654. That's not good. Now it could go low. We don't want that. Ooh, it's right on the line. I want it to go to 661 in this box here. And then I can set my limit order and I'm guaranteed to get my money back. Virgin's a great stock to scalp. The trading range of SBC is so tight over the last 3 months. Sell it at 7 and buy it at 650. Good morning, Logic, homies. Hope everyone is happy with the green day. Logic, how are you this morning? Come on. 655. I bought 100 and sold them. Now I bought 200 and I'm trying to set a stop trail loss at 650, at 661. Then I'm guaranteed my money back with a 2-cent trail. So once I hit 661, I'm guaranteed my money back, and hopefully it will go up from there. Oh, it's fallen lower. We didn't want that. Come on. 654. Remember, I'm doubling up if it goes to $4. So this is the beginning of that. It's the first time I've been day trading for a long time. Let me just very quickly come out of it and look at what's going on. It's not going to happen that quick. See, I'm not... All this other stuff, I'm way up on. 661. Virgin Orbit, I'm way up on it. Tesla, I'm way up on it. Touching none of this stuff here. Rivian, yep, all good. Amazon, all this stuff is fine. Way up on it. I'm not going to buy more Arrival. Arrival, do okay today. Sam Broad, how are you this morning, Sam? Welcome. We're day trading on Virgin Galactic at the moment. I'm trying to set a stop trail loss. You can see it about to go in. 200 shares of Virgin Galactic. We've already traded 100 and made a profit on it. We're now trying to trade this last one. If you've just arrived, please smash the like button. Help us grow here on YouTube. Welcome. Hi, everybody. Welcome to you. We didn't want it to break down lower. Subscriber, ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. My average has now dropped from 672 to 670 today. Oh, it's broken quite a bit now. Now, I could sell now and take a loss and then buy it back if it goes lower, because that could happen. There's nothing to say it's going to stop at this point. Sam Broad, thanks so much indeed for being here. Would all our guests please welcome all our family members? That's the guys with the badges. Nearly everyone is a badge holder. They get perks 20 times back what they put in. And here is my studio. Welcome. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? From Dallas, Texas. I'm from Cornwall. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome our guest in, Sam Broad. He's just popped in to say hello. Lovely to have you here. Right. So 10. We are trending lower. Here we go. 652, 653. We want to set a stop trail loss at 661. We are trending lower now, though. So now I've got a choice. I can take a loss of $20. I've made $5 on the first one. Sell this one for a $20 loss and not lose any more, and buy it when it goes lower. I've lowered my average, which is good, but it could. We are now on a downward trend, or I can hold it. And hopefully I'll get to 661. I can set the price at 661, and anything up from that will be a profit. Let's look at the volume right now. Let's look at the volume, and we're showing the volume today of average is 9 million, and so far we've had nearly 1 million in the first hour. So it's not an amazing day. Not a huge amount of volume on the stock right now. Now, if I show you the chart at the moment, we have, this is what we're seeing. See some sell pressure coming in now. It could go further down. I've got to go 661. There's not much volume there now. It's falling away a little bit. I could sell this now and take a $20 loss. Get my money out. It's a lot of money. Cheers, mate. Very welcoming. Love the fact that you're into Arrival. Don't hear a lot of people talking about it. Yes, I'm into Arrival. Bicester, the factory, is very close to where I was born. This is my Arrival position. I've not bought any more when it's been down, though, because the company could run out of money. So it's not ideal, but I do have a position. I have 428 shares. I'd rather buy cheap and get some breakfast or something, says Houston, Texas. I'm too lazy to day trade. This is more scalp trading than day trading, to be honest. Right, we are on a downward cycle right now. I've lowered my average from 672 to 670. I've bought in at 661. That's about $40 down now. But I made the $5 the first time round. 661, 651, 10. No, $20. I beg your pardon. I'm $20 down. But what I am thinking of doing is taking a $20 loss. I'll be $15 down because I made $5 on the first time, and buying it back lower because it looks like we are trending down. We'll start production next month. Save it. You think? Oh, absolutely. No, if I didn't think Arrival was going anywhere, I wouldn't have any shares in Arrival, right? Obviously, I'm holding it, but I'm not buying the dip down here. I respect my money too much. If I can't make money at the price I've paid in, because this stock Arrival can 10x. Arrival can 10x. So I don't need to buy it at 132, 163, 10x when it's $16 a share is irrelevant, right? So I don't need to buy any more. It's all about balance, diversity. An idiot can make money. The hard part is to keep it. So that's what I'm having to look at now. Am I going to sell this for a $20 loss and buy back a lower position? Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And I'm watching this very closely, and I'm thinking if it goes any lower, I'm going to sell and take my 20% loss. It might pop up again, but I'm not going to risk my money at all. Remember, my portfolio is up from $5,000. I'll share with you. This is what my portfolio is worth today. I started with $5,000. I'm at 42, nearly 43,000. I'm not going to lose that. It's all about risk management, okay? We're getting our second little pop of the day. We want to break through this. This is now becoming a resistance now. 655. We want to go through 655. It's bouncing off that. That's not good. That's suggesting the stock is going to go lower. Right, I am gonna set this in here, review this order. I am prepared now to take a $20 loss, but I made 5 on the first time, so I'm $15 down. But I'm protecting my money. It will sell at 651. I'm not prepared to lose any more money. It could bounce lower than this, and I'll buy back in a minute. So I'm gonna set a sell at 651, taking a $20 loss, right? And it's sold because look, it's trending down. We've got a huge swing there. All of a sudden, I think it's I think it was a what you call it? A chart error. we had like a 5% swing then, and I think it's a chart error. So there we go. I've lowered my average, and I took a 20%. I took a $20 loss because we are trending down. So you can see I bought it for I bought it for 1,321. I took a $20 loss, but I lowered my average. Now, of course, it could pop up now, and I'm without that, but that's fine. So now we're looking to buy 200 shares again and make back our $20 loss by it going down to a new low. And now we want to wait. We want to wait a little bit now until we get signs that it's bouncing back. Tesla, Virgin Orbit, Space. It's all about managing your money. As I said before, it's very, very easy to make money on the stock market. Very easy, but you have to be prepared to take a loss sometimes. Don't be afraid to do that, because then you can buy back a lot cheaper. 652 now. Read my comment above, Martin. It's almost like clockwork over the last 90 days. Let's have a little look. If you do a little TA on the SPCE, it's almost bouncing on the 20-day, the 20 DMA. It has room to go lower, maybe 630 with resistance at 684. Yes. Thank you very much for that, market. It's almost like clockwork over the last 3 months. It is. Look at your numbers. If you do a little TA on SP, it's almost always bouncing on the 20 DMA. That's 20-day moving average for those who don't know. There's room to go lower, maybe 630. That's exactly why I just sold it with resistance at 684. Thank you very much indeed, market. Totally agree. That's why I took the $20 loss at the moment. And there you go. See now why? See why I did that? And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if it goes up without me. I don't mind. I don't mind missing out on profits. But what I don't want to do is lose money. I've grown my portfolio from 5 grand to 43. I don't want it suddenly to go to 23. That's not very smart. I'd rather protect the money than not get the benefit of it growing, because it will grow in time, which is why I'm in VU, why a big part of my portfolio is in VU. So I'm protected. I've got a diverse portfolio. Virgin Galactic. We're waiting to see if we can get a lower price, but I might. Once we get to this sort of time in the day, it's not really too much of interest to me now, because we got the markets at the minute are a bit muted. We don't really know what the direction we're going, so I'm not looking to make any major investments, and we're certainly not in a bull market. So we are risking money at the moment, so we don't want to be doing that too much. 653. We are bouncing around this 653 now. It could easily go lower from here. You can see that. It could easily go lower. Let's look at the other stocks that you were looking at. Jupiter, it's improving slightly. Mind Medicine, bouncing around now. Rio Tinto, looking very, very nice. Of course, we've got the dividend paying out soon. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting for another dip to try again. There's no dip there at the moment. It can go up from here, but that's fine. I've got an average of 670 now, so I'm in a better position again. Virgin Orbit, I'm up 10%. I'm not doing anything with that. Tesla, I'm up 26%. that's going to be $1,000 a share, no question about it. Rivian, I'm up 31%, I'm not buying any more. Lucid, I'm up 6%, not buying any more. Polestar, 13% down. I could do that, but I don't want to. I'd rather put my money into Tesla. If I was going to double up, I'd buy another Tesla share. USD commodities and energy are on the rise today. This is going to put some pressure on high growth stocks. USD commodities and energy are on the rise today. Thank you very much for that information. Arrival down 20%. Amazon still up 15%. Apple still up 14%. Robinhood, it's got to go a lot lower before I buy any more there. McDonald's is up 9%. Coca-Cola. I should probably have my other screen open for SPCE, which is what I'm doing right now. There we go. 652. I'm watching it very closely on another screen. Johnson & Johnson, 2.94. Wendy's is getting a makeover. Wendy's. 652 on Virgin Galactic now. Google, I'm up nearly 9%. I'm not buying any more there. Microsoft, same. Following the lead of the other fast food restaurants, Wendy's adding a dedicated pickup window for delivery orders, so delivery drivers don't have to enter the restaurants. Very nice indeed. Meta, I'm up 4%. I'm not doing investing any more there. SoFi down 4%. I've got plenty of money in there. IonQ up 42%. That's one for the future. PayPal, 30% up, not buying any more there. Rolls-Royce, nothing to report new today. Walmart is down today, but I'm up 14%, 13.6. Target, I'm up 15.8. Nothing there new today. Tesco, no. Nothing I want to do there. Canoe, up nearly 6%, no. On, no, I'm up 40%, not doing anything there. Tilray Brands, I'm up 4%, up from 24%. Virgin Galactic has got a slight movement. I'll come back to it in a second. I'm down. Ginkgo Bioworks, down. Over the month, it's been lower, 281. No, I'm not doing that. I've got enough there at the moment. Enphase Energy up 67% and growing. Bitcoin, we're waiting for it to crash to $10,000. Oh, SV, I'm holding that, sorry. Bitcoin BTC, when it goes down to $10,000, I'm buying more. So there we go, back to our SPCE. And we're just going sideways now. It's preparing for its next move. Wendy makes me sick. Never like their food. All right. Virgin Galactic now, 653. We just sold at 651. Customers will also notice new lighting and more energy efficient ventilation systems. Well, that's good to hear. I like all of that. So we're looking to get an opportunity now for Virgin Galactic. We've got day trader of the day as well. We've got our army still with us. Let me check on Twitch if everyone's still on Twitch. And yes, 8 subscribers now. Brilliant. And let me check if anyone's signed up for the newsletter today. Only 68% of you. Could I ask why 68% of you are not in the draw? Why don't you do it? It helps the channel grow and gives you a cash prize for free. Can anyone tell me why 68% of you are not in the draw? I'd like to know why that is. We're getting a 60% open rate, but very few of you enter the competition. It's good for the channel, helps us grow. And I don't know why most of you don't enter it. Trying to push up. No, just like posting random news about random companies. Are you trying to sell me on Wendy's Church, Wendy's Burger Church? Lazy, Duchak's lazy. Fair enough. Fair enough. That's fair enough. It's just it helps the channel grow, so I can give more cash prizes away and increase it. But that's fair enough. Everyone's lazy. Fair enough. I like the honest answer. I can't be bothered. All right. So the purpose of the cash prize draw is to grow the YouTube channel so I can get more viewers, more people watch the videos, then the cash prizes go up. Everybody wins. Obviously, if no one watches the videos, I can't increase the prizes. Lazy don't care. Rules, etc. Rules? Lazy don't care rules, etc. What rules? There's no rules. You just got to watch the video. Anyway, the draws are fun, but every day these draws get a little tiresome, in my opinion. Why don't you save up your money for a big giveaway every week? It is every week, Market Profit. The draw is once a week. What do you mean? I only do the draw once a week. I can't believe you're saying that. The draws are fun, but every day, it's not every day, Market. It's once a week. It's only once a week. It's every week. You've just described exactly what it is. It's once a week, every Friday. The newsletter goes out on Sunday. The draw's every Friday. It's once a week. Are you saying $10 is not enough money for him? Oh, I see. Yeah. I can't give more than $10 away because the thing is, I don't even make $10 on the video. I'm already giving more than I make, and that's that's the philosophy of my show. I give back more than I get. That's the idea. I'm trying to give back more to my members and my viewers than I get. That's the idea. I can't give even more, otherwise I'd be going backwards, and I'm already going backwards on Friday as it is. But I'm trying to do it to help people. That's the idea. But anyway. I'll ask a poll then. I'll ask a poll. If everybody's thinking it's not enough money, it's not worth entering. Let me ask you this. Would you prefer a monthly cash giveaway? All right. Would you prefer a monthly cash giveaway? Okay, would you prefer a monthly cash giveaway? Yes or no? Let's see what you say to that. See if you go, yeah, we'll have a monthly cash giveaway. Let's have a look. I don't know if I would be able to give away more money though, because I'd be giving 4 times as much money on the same video. I'd lose even more money, I think. Anyway. I didn't mean that. $10 a lot. Yes, it is. It's a heck of a lot. I would love to win $10 every week for free. Damn right. I just got excited about making $5 on my Virgin Galactic. Absolutely right. Penny by penny. You all know the story that I paid my house off with lots of $1 bills that I earned on cruise ships. $1 counts to me. It really does. When someone gives me a tip for $1, I am thrilled to bits. $10 is a meaningless amount of money. Is it? Not to me, it's not. I invest that $10 and make $20 out of it. You know, when I sat on cruise ships and I worked 8 hours a day for 4 years, if I said to people who gave me a $1 tip, it isn't worth your bother. 1, it's rude to the people that give me a $1 tip, and 2, those dollar bills bought my house. I have no mortgage. I own my own home. How is that? How is that not worth it? Yeah, that's right. Strippers have bought homes with $1 stuffed in their pants. There you go. That's right. That's true Market Profit. $10 is a lot of money. Yeah, it is. It is. I think it is. But it's not good business if I say I'm going to give $1,000 away as a cash prize, because you know what would happen then. You know what would happen then? First of all, I would lose a lot of money, and I'd go bankrupt. Number 1. Number 2, you'd all watch it to enter it, which would be great, because $1,000, right? But then what would happen is I'd get thousands and thousands of scammers and bots watch who don't watch anything, and I'd have to reply to all their comments, because I do reply to everyone's comments. It wouldn't get any videos on it wouldn't get any views, because if someone just clicks and clicks off, it doesn't count as a view. It would damage my channel, so I'd be paying $1,000 to damage my own channel. That would be like double suicide, right? So doesn't always benefit by giving huge cash prizes away. Bad image. Martyn yeah, bad image. Dave Mottram, love it. Let's have a look. Would you prefer a monthly cash giveaway? No. There you go. Most people want the weekly one. Yeah, once a week's right, isn't it? It's different as a giveaway. $10 is nowhere near enough for me to do it. To do it my no way to go my way to do something. It's not a guarantee, but a chance to win. I don't waste my time. Yeah, but Arnold, all you're doing, you're sitting here for 3-4 hours every single day watching me. Anyway, you could have another tab open and watch the 1-minute video 100 times during this show. Right? So you're already here. So you are, it's not like you say wasting your time. It's time management, efficiency of your time. Do you see what I'm saying? You're already here. You open a tab, click on the video and watch the video, and then leave a comment. You're already here anyway. Now, can you see? I only pop in every now and again to warn you, to warn me. Can you see why I sold my Virgin Galactic, guys, and took that loss of $20? Can you see now why I did that? Because Virgin Galactic is trending down today, so I did it. And that's exactly why I did it. So I'm going to buy it again. See, that's too much work for me. I'm lazy. Oh, there you go. Well, that's exactly why 95% of day traders lose, because they're lazy and they don't focus on it as much as I do. And 95% of YouTubers fail because they're lazy. They don't bother putting the time in. It's true. It's true. It's why it's easy to win. It's why it's easy to win. If you value every penny and every minute of your day and you're prepared to work hard, you'll always win, because the competition is lazy. If I was watching my show, I would enter the draw every single week, and I would win probably every 4th week, because so few people watch, enter, and then are in the live show to win it. So I would take my money and I'd reinvest it, and I'd make even more money from it. That's what I would do. Anyway, lazy is the magic word. Martyn, still do it. But so if you win, you don't have to be here when it's drawn. I'm sure most people can't be here sometime when it's called. That sort of puts me off joining in. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Right. Review order. Buy shares 200. We're at 647 now. I'm going to buy at 647. Okay. Done. Sell. Market order. $647. $648. Come on. Get let down from technology. 648. I'm already up. Come on, refresh. Right. Trading stop order. Percentage. Amount. 2 cents. Shares. 200. Sell 200 shares, good for the day, 645 amount. Here we go. 646, 644. I bought it 647. I've now got an average of 667 now. $6.45. But if it were $50, maybe I'll enter. I won a bottle of wine raffle yesterday in that bar. I don't think I would win. OFC, I would win. Arnold says, so many families in Uganda live on less than $1 a day. The communities that we are supporting as a charity wouldn't even dream of waking up to $10. Communities that we support as a charity wouldn't even dream of waking up to $10, considering they live on less than $1 a day or nothing. I think there is more downside on this move down, Martin. I wouldn't be in a rush to buy at this level. The magic word, lazy. People in here are stock traders. This is the money you should have. Money correct. Arnold Palmer. $10 is more in today's economy. $10 is nothing to sneeze at. Exactly. If you're investing in these companies for dividends and sell the stocks, $10, $10. Got in block. That's the drop. Okay. Target $5 share by BFA Securities. Bank of America, say $5. Okay, 644. Virgin Galactic 646 now. Sell 643. I just bought it 647. I think I just bought it 647. Yes, 647. Still going down. We're looking at it closely. Just bought it 647, 200 shares at 647. 646. Those analysis, those price targets very often are wrong on Virgin Galactic. You only want the slightest sniff of news and it goes straight back up. Space is down 14% in this past month. We should all squeeze those damn shorters. Yeah. 645. I just bought it 647. My average is now down from 672 to 667. Okay. All I want to do is now, here we go. Come on. 647. Gonna try and get it now. $647. If I can just get to 647, I will put that money. I'll put that order in. 2 more cents. Then I'll guarantee to get my money back. I've lowered my average and I can only go up. I can't lose any money. Remember, it's all about protecting your money. Always protect the money. And now and again you'll win. And you'll be far better off. Profits will be far higher if you're not losing and you're winning sometimes, rather than losing and winning. If you don't lose, you protect yourself from losing. When you do win, it'll always grow your portfolio faster than if you just try to. You don't protect yourself. I learned that lesson, by the way, from Market Profit. I used to just do sales, direct sales. Now I do the stop trail loss, which I love, by the way. I think it's a great strategy. Here we go. Come on. 647. Two more cents. 2 more cents. I'm at, well, so close there. I was just about to set it. Come on. 646. It's got to go to 649, so my stop is 647. That's guaranteed to get back what I put in. Come on, 2 more cents. Okay, it's done. Right, if that goes to 649, I'm guaranteed to get my money back. If that goes to 649, I'm guaranteed my money out, and I've lowered my average to 667. There you go. There you go. There we go. Right. So I guaranteed to get my money back. I won't lose any money now. I can't lose any money. Every cent it goes up is $1. Every cent now is $1. Right? Come on. Every cent now will be $1. No, sorry. Every cent now will be $2. I beg your pardon. Every cent now will be $2. If I can go to 650, I'm guaranteed $2. Come on. 650, I'm guaranteed. Every cent from now will be $2. Come on. 650. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I've lowered my average. My position is much stronger now. 650, I'm up $2. Come on, get in. Oh, it's sold. It looks like it's sold. I don't know what happened there. It's sold. Did it? How did it sell? Did it sell? I never saw it sell. I made $2. I don't know how it sold there. It didn't. Obviously, it didn't. It didn't bounce. It didn't move. But anyway, I made $1. So I can't work out quite what happened there. I didn't see it. That's annoying. I bought it at 647, and I sold it at 648. So I made $2. I don't know why. I don't know why that's. Oh well, doesn't matter. So there we go. I started. So I've made what? I made $5 the first time. $1 the next time. So that's 6. But then I lost 20. So I'm down $14, and that's very frustrating. I don't know why it's. Sometimes perhaps you need to allow a little bit more than 2 cents, but never mind. There's always that. There's always the market makers. There's that sometimes a bit of an average, so bit of wiggle room. That's a bit annoying. That's a bit annoying because it's going back up now, and I missed out on that. I was in. Doesn't matter though. I've lowered my average from 672 to 6, so I've improved it by 5 cents a share. Happy with that. I've only lost $14, but now I'm only down 2.26 today. So that's good work. I think that's enough now because I want to calm down now. It takes a lot of effort to concentrate like that. I'm really annoyed that sold. I'm really I don't know why it did. It was obviously you know, somewhere in between the 1 cent. And that's annoying. 6.48. Look, 6.53. You're having a laugh, right? I would have got back all the profit I'd made, and I would have ridden it up. You never know. It might bounce all the way back. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I've got 1,400 shares at 6.67, so it doesn't matter either way. Just frustrating sometimes when you get caught out by a technicality. Lesson learned. I'll put a 3 cents in next time. So anyway, doesn't matter. I'll do that next time. I'll put a 3 cents in to make sure that 1 cent movement doesn't catch me out. But that's annoying, especially as it's going up now. I'd be just trailing it up, making money all the way up. Oh well. Yeah, because it could go back up to 6.79, and remember, every dollar, every cent was $2, so it's quite a bit of money. But that's okay. Paul B. How are you, Paul? Lovely to have one of our gold badge members here today. Here he is. And we're going to end the show there. That's how I've made money on Virgin Galactic today. We've lowered our average from 672 to 667. Overall, we've lost $14, but we won on 2 trades. And technically, I should actually be up profit now. Lesson learned: 2 cents was too small. If I'd set 3 cents, would have been no issue at all. And have you looked at Discord? No. Should I look at Discord? Should I look at Discord? What's going on? What is going on Discord? There's nothing in Discord. Have you looked at Discord? What is there to look at? YouTube Live. What am I looking at? You haven't posted anything. So what is there to look at? Welcome all. I have no idea. Let me look into settings and make sure, as I'm here now, let's make sure there's no general chit chat. Let's have a look then. Members first of all. Let me just search for any scammers. Get rid of the Martyn Lucases that pretend to be me. No, there's none today, which is good. General chit chat. I've already read the general chit chat. That's why it's not showing up. I thought it was something new. General chit chat. What have you got for me today? Oh, I've not seen this. There we go. I've not seen this. Oh yes, I saw this earlier. Let's have a look a minute. This is sent in. How often are you live? I'm live 10 hours a day. Monday to Friday. Opening bell, closing bell. Paul B, paying for petrol with crypto. Let me just answer that question and I'll come back to Paul B's comment. Sam Broad. I want to just touch base with Sam Broad for just a moment because we've got a guest coming. It's very, very important. Sam Broad, let me just give you a bit of information, right? So I'm known as the World Piano Man. I've performed 195 countries all over the world. This is my TV studio. And in this studio, this is where I've raised over $1 million from my charities. My members, my silver members, get a free 20-minute concert. Let me give you a wave. There you go. Get a 20-minute concert for free. We celebrate your birthdays. You can have birthday surprises for your family. What I do here is I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. We're here to help people, support people, raise money for charities. We do it all the time. I've given over $1 million away on my channel. I have cash prize draws every single Friday. And if you look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, The Day Trader, upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. See it? This is where you are right now. This is what you're watching right now. If I refresh the screen, you'll see the live show. And the upcoming live stream, think of it as a TV guide. There you go. See, we're live right now. There you go. And these are all the shows that are coming up. They're always in there for you. We cover all the main earnings reports. We do all of that. and we go live. I've got breaking news throughout the day, 10 hours a day live. I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. And also, here is my music channel. If you want to go and check out Why I'm the World Piano Man, there it is. I'll give you the link in the chat. And this all links button I'm going to give you now, the all links button, will take you. I can't believe Virgin Galactic did that and technically got me out of the trade. That was flipping frustrating. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm up. I made money. It's good. Just don't like being making a mistake like that. Should have put 3 cents in. Anyway, doesn't matter. Got to move on. Every Sunday I send out a weekly newsletter with all my trades, my shares, and here it is. If you sign up for the newsletter, it's free. You can unsubscribe at any point, and check in your inbox, because it always goes into the junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. I don't know how best to say it. It is free and it is a cash prize draw. And if you look on that link I just gave you, that will bring you to this page here, where you put your email in. Please make sure then you verify the email, and the email you're looking for is the daytrader@martynlucas.com. All links are below. If you then scroll down this all links page, you will see all my links for all my social media. My lot of companies sponsor me. I get free money at crypto.com. COINBASE, I give you free money. Robinhood, you get free stocks. I basically share everything that I have with everybody. Okay? And there you go. Now, if you wish to become a member, you see that nearly everyone's got a badge after their name. Nearly everyone here is a member. They will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. And that's how it was designed. It was designed to serve people the best, to give people the very, very best deal. And I believe the more you give to people, the better your business is. You know, your channel grows because you give to people. So there you go. There is my invitation to join if you wish to be a member. Now, if you become a bronze member, just a couple of bucks a month, you can have many, many perks. Plus, you'll have, for you, your family, birthday celebrations on your birthday. You'll get all that benefits. And I will promote, do a birthday song for you. You can also, as a member as well, choose a live song in the show. I can sing in 14 different voices, 7 languages, and 650 songs. That's why I'm the World Piano Man. And I will perform live in the show. So if you say, hey, can you sing as Michael Jackson or Paul McCartney or Elton John? I will do it live right now at my piano for a $10 super chat. And I ask for $10 because that covers the copyright of the video that I will get if I do that. And lastly, just to let you know that you can also access our Discord as well. All links are below this entire video as well. There is the Discord link. And if you want to subscribe to me on Twitch, we give away a $10 cash prize every month as well to our subscribers. Loads of stuff. There you go. Anyway, welcome. If you put your city and country in, everybody will welcome you in. I'm actually from Cornwall in England, and my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. All right? Anyway. We're coming to the end of the show right now. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. This is where we find out who our Day Trader of the Day is. So I'm going to bring everybody up to date. Make sure... Western Australia. Ah, wonderful. I played in Canberra. Played in Canberra and Sydney. Did a wedding there. Lovely to have you here. I'm so frustrated about Virgin Galactic. Oh dear. I played it perfectly. Technical error got me out. But it doesn't matter. I've got to move on from this now. Even though it's... I knew I was right. Anyway. Paul B, who by exchange stablecoin USD has depegged from the US dollar and is trading at 0.85 as an hour ago. Trouble is coming. We know that crypto is all about to crash. We know it 100%. I'm waiting to buy it. This is my Ethereum. I'm out of it. Bitcoin, I've made money. I'm holding my 11 BSV. I'm up 9%. I'm up 19% on Bitcoin. I own $300, but I'm gonna buy it all in when it drops down below my average, which is 19 grand. And that's why I bought SPCE this morning. It went below my all-time low. I've lowered my average from 672 to 667. It's been a great morning. Happy with that. Made some small profits. Lost a little bit as well. Should have made it all back if it wasn't for that glitch. But there you go. Still good. So, would everybody, all my members, please put your cities and countries in and welcome our guest in from Western Australia, Sam Broad. All right, I might put a song in at the end of the show. Even though no one's tipped me, I'm going to sing a song at the end of the show. I just feel like doing it. I'm going to go back to my studio and do a song. I tell you what, everybody on TikTok, if you smash the share button here, I'm going to take you all to my studio over there at the end of the show in about 2 minutes and sing a song. I just feel like it. I'm going to sing a song. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Nothing you can do to stop me. Very, very quickly, I want to come back to Paul B, who took the time to send this in. Crypto.com, here it is. Paying for petrol with crypto directly from your that app there, that link there. Starting today at over 170 OTR outlets across Australia, CRFO fam can pay for petrol and more directly in crypto. Look at that. In Australia, you can pay for petrol in Australia using your crypto. All that petrol thing is yet another Crypto.com full story in general chit chat. There you go. Here's the post. Paying for petrol with crypto. There you go. There it is. Using Crypto.com. Very, very useful stuff indeed. I'm going to put a little video about that, I think. Thank you very much. In fact, let me make that for you now. I'm going to make this video right now, in fact. Day trader of the day. Let's do that first. I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to make a video. Paul B, thanks for sharing it in. That's a really good story. I like it. And I'm going to do it right now. I wonder if there's audio on that. Let's have a little look. Is there audio on that? Yes, there is audio on it. But it might be copyrighted music, so I'm not going to play that. But I'm going to come back to that in a small moment. Okay, so day trader of the day. Under your video, there's a live button. Make sure it's red, not grey. If it's grey, you're behind. Let me do a quick 10-second commercial break, and let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back again with you right now. It's time for day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. And here we go. I am down 0.23. I've lowered my average on Virgin Galactic. Very happy to do that. So here we go. Down 0.22%. There we go. When the first person posts, we will give you a 1 minute on the clock. Are you ready? Let's see who wins day trader of the day today. And waiting for the first person. You're watching the commercial break probably. Waiting for the first person to post, and then I will post my score. Rio Tinto is going up. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic, I've now got a much, much lower average. I'm down 1.51, even though I'm down 2.52 today. That's good. Waiting for the score to come in. Got more Crypto.com news. I'll send that in tonight's show. Fantastic. I'm going to make a video as soon as we've done day trader of the day. So stick with me and your comments can come on the screen. Here we go. So stick with me, Paul. Your comments can come on the screen in the making of the film. All right? Okay, we are up. Fusion is up 1.2. Mike is down 0.18. So the winner so far is 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Said a chicky 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 bow bow. Said a chicky 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 bow bow. Said a chicky 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 bow bow. Who's gonna win the day trader of the day today? It looks like so far Fusion 301 is 1.2 and the Church of Logic is up 2.18. 2.18. Very, very nice indeed. Hang on a minute. Up 1.12. You just changed that. Is it 2.18 or 1.12? I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm confused. You've confused me now. That means Fusion's winning if you're only up 1.12. Is that a mistake? Let's end the timer. There we go. Church of Logic has confused me. He's saying he's up 2.18 and then he's saying he's up 1.12. I don't know. Oh, 1.12. Sorry. That's all right. Apology accepted. Fusion 301 is the winner then. So let's give Fusion 301 a big thank you for your honest trades. And thank you very much indeed for that. Congratulations. And give him the sound effects. Here it comes. There we go. Nice one, Fusion 301. Very good score indeed today. All right. And if I'd have managed to stay in the market like I should have done without that technical glitch, I actually would have been up today and I would have made some money, realized profits as well from Virgin Galactic. But there you go. Anyway, let's get back to the main trades a minute. I want to do a quick video from information as provided by Paul B. Here we go. All right, this is very, very good. I like this. Let's have a look. What we'll do, we'll bring up crypto.com on here. CRO. There we go. CRO, I will bring that up, crypto.com. We will share that. Let's make a quick video. And I tell you what we'll do. We will zoom in on that, make that a bit clearer. Paying with petrol. There we go. Let's do this right now. Here we go. So crypto.com, we'll put that up there. We'll put that there. And there you go. Crypto.com, we'll do that there. And we'll do that there. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Crypto.com, information just sent in from one of our members. Paying for petrol with crypto directly from your Crypto.com app. Look at this, starting today at over 170 OTR outlets across Australia. You can pay for your petrol and more directly with crypto. Another good news for Crypto.com. Let's have a quick look at its price here on Robinhood. Now on Robinhood, I can't trade it. Unfortunately, it's not available, but it does track the stock so I can see what it's doing. So crypto.com is up today 1.12%. Its ticker is CRO. But this is great news. This is great news for crypto.com. As you know, I'm not a huge fan of crypto at the moment. I am a believer in crypto. I know crypto is going to be great in the future, but until we rinse out all the rogues and all the scams and all the nonsense, and I know as a YouTuber, I receive thousands of messages a day all trying to sell me Bitcoin. I don't get any from Tesla and Microsoft and Apple and all the rest of it. So unfortunately, for most people, crypto.com, most people, crypto is a swear word right now. There's so much scam and nonsense and corruption and so on. But every now and again, something great happens, and crypto.com is one of those things. And here, just as I make this video on a live show, Paul B, who's the person that sent in the information, has also confirmed that FCA approval yesterday in the UK, Crypto.com will be #1. That's Paul B's opinion. I can't, confirm or deny that, but I can tell you we've received some great news over the last few weeks now from Paul with regard to Crypto.com. So the overall price of it, CRO right now, is up 1.12. As I say, I can't trade it on my app at the moment with Robinhood, but this is very good news. The fact that you can buy petrol in Australia using your Crypto.com app has to be good. And of course, the regulation in the UK as well is even better information. So there you go. More news coming out with Crypto.com today. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick ticker for that. I want to get that on the screen. Zoomed in, I think. Zoomed in. And how big can I make that? I want a thumbnail from this. Crypto.com. That's nice and clean, but I do prefer. I'll take 2. All right, I'm going to smile at the camera for a second. Bear with me. Here we go. Doing silly faces right now. I'll do a. Okay, hopefully we should have something there, but I'll take something from here as well. Crypto.com. And I'll do that from there. There you go. Thumbs up from there. There you go. Okay, we've got that. Thank you very much indeed. Come on, church. Smile for me. Don't mean anything. Space receives investment bank's analysis rating. Yes, I made some profit though this morning with Virgin Galactic. No, in fact, I lowered my averages. I didn't actually make any profit. I would have done if I hadn't have messed up on the actual technicalities of the stock. But anyway, never mind. As you can see, it's down 2% today, and I'm only down 1%. My average is lowered. In fact, I better do that as well. I've just realised that as well. Let me do that right now. Virgin Galactic. Let me do that as well right at the end. Virgin Galactic. Okay. Let me change that screen a minute. SPCE. Okay. Bring this into here. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. I've been day trading. I haven't done it for a while because I only tend to do it when stocks go below my all-time lows and when we're in a bull market. But today, I've done very well on Virgin Galactic. My average, I'll scroll down, was at 672. My average is now 667. I bought several times at $200 shares, 100 shares, then 200, sold 200, bought another 200, sold 200. And overall, due to a technicality, I'm actually down $14. I actually made on the first trade, the second trade, and the last one. Unfortunately, due to a technical error, I'm down $14. Without the technical error, I would actually be up now, maybe $100 on that trade. So my aim is $200 a day when I'm trading. But there you go. I'm really happy though that I've been able to lower my averages. So My average has dropped all the way down now to 667. So I've improved my position. There it is. You can see. If we go over to the chart right now and share with you what's been going on. Why today did the stock price drop? Well, we had some banks give price targets lower, around about the $5. They always get this wrong. As history has proven, every time that happens, the stock does drop. It presents opportunities for me to lower my average, which I love because it puts me in a perfect situation. As long as you believe that the stock isn't going to run out of money, which it isn't, as long as you believe that the stock isn't going to go bankrupt, which it isn't, it's always great to lower your averages on times like this. But what I've been doing is keeping my $1,400, 1,400 shares and just buying and selling off the top. So it surprised a few of my traders today when they saw me actually selling Virgin Galactic. They thought, what's going on? I thought you wasn't going to sell yet. I was simply selling the shares that I purchased today. So let me show you my full position on Virgin Galactic today. There you go. I've still got 1,400 shares. Nothing has changed. But if you scroll down here, I will share with you the trades I made here. You can see these are the trades I made, and due to a technical glitch, I should have actually on this last trade been up very significantly. I bought down here, should have been up at least $100 on that. Maybe more actually, but due to a technical glitch. But at the end of the day, all I wanted to do was lower my average from 672 to 667, which as far as I'm concerned, on a day when the stock is down nearly 2%, I'm only down 0.91. That's because I've lowered that average. So that puts me in a stronger position. And all good. So there you go. There's Virgin Galactic today. This is the chart. People are now buying back in again. So Virgin Galactic, nothing has changed for me. Still know it's going to be $100 a share, and this puts me in a stronger position. So as far as I'm concerned, today has been a good day. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick Virgin Galactic ticker. And let's. What should I do? I'll do a mug. Cheers. Should I do the mug? No, hang on a minute. Need something better than that. Oh, I've just spilled coffee all over myself. Bloody hell. That's annoying. What should I do? Any ideas for a thumbnail before I go? Any ideas for a thumbnail? Give me a recommendation and I'll do a thumbnail. Something different. What should I do? Go America. There we go. There we go. I'll grab this. I'll grab this. And I'll grab... There you go. I'll do a little flag because it's a good day. I don't know why. It'll get people interested, won't it? They won't know what's going on. Right. Shall I do that? Look. There we go. There you go. Little flag there in the corner. Right, there you go. I'll wave a flag. I'll wave a flag because I'm going to the UK soon. That's why. That's what it will be. It's your show, Martin. There you go. I'll do a little wave there. That'll do. Is that good? Does that work? All right. Okay. Hopefully that works. Hopefully that works. Brilliant. There we go. That'll do. Right, we're going to end the show. Thank you very much indeed. I think I've got the, I've got everything I need there. Bring the ticker back in again. Right, that's it. Dab the wheat. On is up. On. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's go through all our stocks. Let's end the show right now. We've done day trade of the day. Hey, Zach, it's his show. That's right. It is my show. It isn't, though, is it, really? Let's be honest. It belongs to you guys. Enphase, again. Ginkgo. Tilray Brands. On. Oh, look at that. 42%. Look at On. We knew On was going to do well. Oh, you're not on the screen. There you go. That's better. On. Awesome. Okay. All right then, guys. I'm going to let you go. I've got some videos to make today to get out. Thank you ever so much for being here. I'll see you all back later for the... in fact, I've got some videos to make. Right, so we're going to end the main show right now. We're going to end the main show, and I'm going to make some videos. So if you want to join me for a minute, you can. If you want to stay with me, I'm going to end the main show right now, and I'm going to actually make some videos that need to be done. All right, so in fact, no, that's not going to work. I'll end the show. That isn't going to work. Forget it. Forget I just said that. I've got to go. So we need someone now to say, roll the credits. Let's roll the credits, and let's end the show. And I've got lots of stuff I've got to get out today. So anyway, someone tell me roll the credits, and I'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. See you later, says Shad. Good stuff. Oh, we had a nice little, we gained another 3 subscribers today during the show. That's nice. Okay, let's do it. Roll them, boss man. All right, here we go. Here we go. Roll the bloody credits. Yes, roll the bloody credits is right. Roll the bloody credits is right. Okay, here we go. Let's see who took part in today's show. Here we go. So, who are the stars of our show today? Our stars of the show were Mike. He beat the Restream bot again. Follower over there on TikTok, on Twitch, sorry, Shamrock147. Thank you very much indeed. Been lurking while I sort some things. Lurking is Shad in the background. So thank you very much indeed to Shamrock147 for following me. I hope you've now become a subscriber over on Twitch, because it is free and you can be in our free prize draw. And also we've got our new subscribers. These are our public subscribers. Only public subscribers get recognized on YouTube, and that is Kenya, Arujo, Rosa, and Keegan NJD17. Well, thank you very much indeed for your subscriptions and your follows and everything else. Ha ha ha, I slayed the bot. You did indeed, Mike. Congratulations to you. That's it from me today. The overall portfolio is now, I'm on a wash right now. I should actually be up. How many more times am I going to go on about that Virgin Galactic thing? Darn it. All right, anyway, thank you very much for being here. I'll see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. If you've not yet taken part in the free prize draw, please do. Let me have a quick look. Did we get any more subscribers today? We've got 207. If anybody wants to sponsor this Sunday's newsletter, it's just $10 in the super chat, and you can sponsor it with your YouTube channel, your website, your business. You get a line of text, you get an image, a thumbnail, and a link. And for $10, 207 people receive it, and 60% open rate. If you want that, you can. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you back this afternoon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.